This is Anurag. Today in this tutorial we are going to see about all the commands that are used in SQL. First of all, let us connect to a normal user called as Oracle. Okay, so in this user I have installed Oracle software and also I have created a Oracle database. That database name is test. So the first step we start with is exporting the instance. This exporting the, what is meant by this exporting the instance? That is, we are telling to the system that we want to connect to test database. Okay, so we have exported the instance. Now I want to see what instance I have exported. For that we use the command echo space $oracle underscore SID, where SID stands for system identifier. It is telling that we have connected to, we have exported the instance test. Now we use the command SQL plus. Why to use SQL plus? This SQL plus is a command. It is a tool to connect to the database. As which user we are logging into this database? We are logging as sys user. Okay. Give the command startup to start the database. Okay. So the database is started. CL space SCR is used to clear the screen. So I want to see what is the name of the database to which I have connected. For that we use the command select name from v $database. It is showing that our database name is test. So the first thing that we are going to see is how to create a normal user. See, you are in sys user. I want to create a normal user. So for that we use the command create user, username identified by password. Here you can give any password, but for our convenience I am giving the same password that as a username. So this is an interview question. When a user is created, newly a user is created, how many privileges are given for that user? By default 0. No privilege is given to that user. So first of all I want to grant privileges to this user. Grant connect connect comma resource to u1. These connect comma resource are not privileges. These are set of privileges. These are roles. Okay. Grant connect comma resource to u1. That means for this user u1 now we have given set of privileges. Now connect to u1 by u1. Okay. Now see the user is u1. Now select star from session underscore privs. This is used to see all the privileges held by this user. Now in this there is a privilege called as create table. Since this user is having create table privilege, we can create a table in this user. Okay. So the first command we will see creating a table. If you see in SQL there are 5 sets of languages. They are DDL, DCL, DML, TCL, DRL. If you see DDL, there are 5 commands in DDL language. Those are card T, that is create, alter, rename, CARDT, create, alter, rename, drop, truncate. So first of all let us create a table. For that create table EMP. This is a table. In that 3 columns I am adding e number, its data type is number, size is 5, e name of varchar 2 of 10. Varchar 2 of 10 means 10 is the size. Okay. Varchar spelling is wrong. Varchar 2 of 10, comma, salary. Total I am creating 3 columns in this user, in this table. Okay. So we have created a table called EMP. Now describe EMP. It shows the metadata, that is e number, e name, salary. Okay. That is column names it is showing. Now if I give the command select star from EMP, what is meant by this select star from EMP? Here select star from EMP means select means retrieve, star means all, retrieve all data from employee table. It is showing no rows selected. Why it is showing no rows selected? Just now we have created the employee table. That's why there is no data present till now. So let us insert some data into this employee table. That means we use DML commands. DML commands are insert, update, delete. So let us insert some values into this employee table. Insert into emp values 1, some name called Chris, and salary some 5,000. It is showing that we have inserted employee number 1, e-name Chris, and salary as 5,000. This is to insert single row. If you want to insert multiple rows, use the command insert into emp values ampersand e number, comma, ampersand e name, comma, ampersand salary. Since name is in characters, we need to give quotations. Okay, it will ask enter value for e number 2, enter value for e name, some name I am entering, enter value for salary I am entering as 8,000. Now I want to again insert one row, slash enter. If I give slash enter, the previous query will be executed again. Now employee number 3, e name I am giving as some name, and salary I am giving 10,000. Then fourth, employee number 4, salary I am giving as 12,000, and also I am employee number 5, name is Anil, salary I am giving as 15,000. So select star from emp. This is used to retrieve all the data present in employee table. So it is showing this data. That means we have created a table. Now as we have given insert command, by using insert command we have inserted the values. Insert is a DML commands. DML commands we should give commit, otherwise they won't be committed. Okay, commit will save the data permanently. Okay, now this is how to use insert command. Then how to use update command. Suppose here salary of Sachin is 10,000. I want to change this salary, employee number 3 salary. How can I say change? By using update, update emp. Never use update table emp. This is a syntax, this is a structured query language. We should follow according to the syntax. So never use update table name. Use every time update table name. Update emp set salary equals to 11,000, where e number equals to 3. Like this I can update the salary. If you see, select star from emp. Salary of third employee was changed from 10,000 to 11,000. Okay, give commit, otherwise it won't be saved permanently. Then let us see delete. Delete from emp where e number equals to 5. This delete is also a DML command. If you see, now select star from emp. What it shows? It doesn't show the fifth employee. Why? Because we have deleted that row, but I have not given commit. What happens if I give rollback? Let us see. If I give rollback, what will happen? The deleted row will come back. Why? Because we have not given commit, it is not saved permanently. Rollback will take us to last committed transaction. Each and every time remember this, rollback will take to last committed transaction. Okay, so then we have seen all the DML commands, that is insert, update, delete. We have also seen transaction control language commands, that is commit, rollback. There is one more command in transaction control language, that is save point. Suppose salary for this employee 5 is 15,000. Suppose if I update the salary, update emp set salary to 20,000, where e number equals to 5. I have not saved this, I have not given commit, I have not given rollback. I will save this as save point S1. A save point is created. Now again update emp set salary equals to 25,000, where e number equals to 5. I will save this as save point S2. Okay, then update emp set salary equals to 30,000 where e number equals to 5. So if you see here, select star from emp, it is showing employee number 5 salary as 30,000, but last computed state was 15,000. 15,000 was the salary for the employee number 5. This is the last computed transaction. Later I have changed it to 20,000 and saved it as save point S1, and later I have changed that 20,000 to 25,000 and saved it as save point S2. Now I have updated the salary from 25,000 to 30,000. If I give rollback, it will take to last computed transaction, but I will give as rollback to S2. That means get back to S2 save point. So when save point S2 salary was 25,000, that it shows. Okay, if I give rollback to S1, what it shows? It shows the salary as 20,000. Okay, if I just give rollback, it will take to last computed transaction. That means it will show salary as 15,000. Okay, so if I again give rollback to S1, it will say that S1 was never established. Why? Because this save point S1 or any save point is created for temporary purpose. Okay, whether you give rollback, if you give commit or rollback, automatically these save points will become invalid. Okay, then this is about transaction control language commands. If you see, select star from employee, it is showing this data. Okay, let us see some DDL commands now. We have just seen how to create a table. Now let us see how to alter a table. Alter a table in the sense, for example, here 3 columns are there. I want to add 4th column. For that we use the command alter table. Remember this one. Whenever you are using alter, you should use alter table name. Alter table emp, alter table name, add in brackets, write d number, data type number, size 5. That means we have added a new column. Select star from emp, it shows the data, metadata and actual data present in employee table. See, this is called as metadata, this is called as actual data. Okay, if you see, d number column is empty. If you want to insert values into this d number column, you cannot insert directly for this 5 rows. If you want to insert, you should insert all the rows. So how to give values to this d number for this existing employees? By using update. Okay, so describe emp, it shows that employee table is having 4 columns: e number, e name, salary and d number. Okay, here d number data type is number. Now I want to modify the data type, so we use the command alter table name, modify d number to varchar 2 of 10. Okay, so this is how to modify the employee table metadata. For example, if you see now, describe emp, previously d number was data type of d number column was number. Now the data type was changed to varchar. Okay, what happens if that column is having the values? If here column d number column is not having any values, hence I have directly changed it. If the d number column is having values which doesn't support the new data type, then we should remove the values and we should change the data type. Okay, then if you see here, name of the particular column is e number. I want to change this to eid. How can I change? Alter table emp, rename column, alter table name, rename column name to new column name. Like this we will change the column name. If you see, describe emp, now it is changed. Okay, column name has been changed. This is rename. Then we will see about drop. I want to drop this 4th column, that is d number. How to drop the column? Alter table emp, alter table name, drop column name. That's it. The table column has been dropped. If you see, in employee table only 3 columns are there. Select star from EMP. Okay, so it is showing this data. This is about how to add a column, how to modify a column, how to rename a column, how to drop a column. Then we will see how to rename a table. What is difference between renaming a table and renaming a column? Renaming a table means renaming the entire table. Renaming a column means in among so many columns I want to delete only a particular, I want to rename only a particular column. Okay, now let us see how to rename the entire table. Rename EMP to EMP1. You cannot use rename table name. Okay, rename EMP to EMP1. Now see, select star from tab. It shows employee 1 table is there, employee is not there. Why? Because employee is changed to employee 1. Select star from EMP1. What it shows? It shows the data present in the employee 1 table. Okay, now let us see what is meant by truncate. What is a truncate? Truncate table EMP1. If you truncate a table, all this actual data, see this one, all this actual data will be flushed out, leaving behind this metadata. Okay, this metadata remains the same, that is structure of the table remains the same, entire actual data will be removed. So what is the difference between truncate and delete? Truncate will flush out all the actual data, whereas delete will remove. By using delete, if you want, we can remove all the rows or we can delete a particular row also. Delete is a DML command, truncate is a DDL command. By default, this is also a golden rule to remember every time. By default, all DDL commands are auto committed. Whether you give commit or you don't give commit, DDL commands will be saved permanently. That is called as auto committed. But this is not true in case of DML commands. For DML commands, you should give commit, otherwise they won't be saved. Okay, truncate table name. When I do this, entire this actual data will be flushed out, leaving behind the metadata. Let us see. See, table is truncated. Now if you see, select star from employee 1, it shows that the table no actual data is present. See, describe EMP1, metadata is there. Select star from tab, table is there, but in the table actual data is entirely removed. Okay, now this is about truncate. Now let us see about drop command. Okay, so for that I am clearing the screen. Drop table name. This is used to drop the table. Now the table is dropped. Now see, select star from tab. It shows that a recycle bin was created. That means whenever you drop a table, this is called as normal drop. When you normally drop a table, the table will be stored in the recycle bin. Okay, give the command show recycle. Okay, it is showing what is the table name which was dropped in this recycle bin, what is the name of the recycle bin, what is the data object type, whether it is a table or view or anything, it is showing, and also at which time we have dropped this also it is showing. Okay, from Oracle 10G there is a excellent feature that we can restore the dropped tables also from the recycle bin. How? By using something called as flashback table EMP1 to before drop. By using this command we can get back the table. That means now see here, select star from tab, EMP1 came, recycle bin was removed. Okay, like this we can get back the table. This is by using flashback table option. Now there is something called as drop the table by using purge option. Drop table EMP1 purge. When you drop a table by using purge option, it will not be stored in the recycle bin, it will be removed permanently. Okay, show recycle, it is showing nothing, that means it is not stored in the recycle bin. Give the command, it will show that flashback table EMP1 to before drop, it will show that object is not in recycle bin. If the object is in recycle bin, then by using flashback table we can get back the data, but in recycle bin table is not stored, table is dropped permanently. That means when you drop a table by using purge option, we cannot get back the table. Okay, but in Oracle 11G there is a feature called as flashback database, by using which we can get back the purged table also. Okay, that we will see in our later sessions. Okay, so this completes DDL commands, that those are card T, create, alter, rename, drop, truncate. Then we have also seen DML commands, that is data manipulation language commands, that is insert, update, delete. Then we have also seen transaction control language commands, that is commit, rollback, save point. Then from the starting we are seeing data retrieval language commands, that is select star from EMP, that is select star from tab or select star from EMP, that is retrieve all data from the tables. Okay, then last but not least, data control language command. See, connect, if you see we are in U1 user. Okay, I am clearing the screen. Let us connect back to sys user. Now grant create user to U1. This is how we grant privileges. Okay, only sys user has granted privileges to this U1 now. Okay, now connect U1 by U1. Sys user is the super user, it can grant privileges to any user, it can take back the privileges also. If you see, select star from session underscore previews, select star from session underscore previews, it is showing privileges, all the privileges. In that there is a privilege called as create user. Now this U1 user also can create another user. So this is how to give the privileges. Then let us see how to take back the privilege. Connect slash as sysdba revoke create user from U1. When you are giving grant to, when you are taking revoke from, okay, revoke from user, revoke succeeded. Then connect to U1 user, select star from session underscore previews. What it is showing? It is showing that create user privilege was removed. Okay, this is about data control language. We can control the data, we can control the privileges by using these commands. Okay, so this is a basic thing about all the commands. We have seen all the commands in SQL language. Hope you enjoyed the session. Okay, thanks for all. Bye.